Sofi update here on the 6th. So I haven't done a video for a while because my last video was a little bit off. We caught this big move with the debt ceiling and the student loans coming to an end, and we've gotten a really nice move here. I was able to catch most of this. I had some covered calls. I bought some calls I bought some calls for next year, actually, some $6 calls in the money, just in case this falls off a cliff or some kind of reversal and I'm not ready for it. I'll be able to average into that, but I made some pretty good money on those so far. Looking at this, I would look for about $8 to end this move. But my previous video, I talked about this being potentially a triangle like this. And now I think that there's probably a very, very small chance of that happening, because after this we would go to new lows. But we've got such a good move up here that I think it's a lot less likely. And so then I was looking at this move right here, and I was wondering, if this is not a triangle right here, then that means one of these has to be a 5-wave move to end the move. Because if we're getting a triangle here, that means we have to go down to new lows to finish the move. So I was looking at this move, and this actually looks like it could be 5 waves. Looks like ABC, but then again, if you go on like the 2-hour time frame, I also see, let's see, down here, I see 5 waves like that. Within this third wave, we have 1. So let me widen this a little bit. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Within that, we have 1, 2, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Fourth wave, fifth wave for the overall third wave, pull back for the fourth wave, and then we have the fifth wave right here. 1, whoops, what is that? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then this does not break below the low. So I think there's a very good chance that I overlooked this a little bit, and this is actually a 5-wave move. That would mean that we already bottomed at 425, and that would make a lot of sense for the current move. If we zoom out here on the weekly time frame, that would just mean this whole move is WXY. The Y wave cannot go past the 1.61 fib of the W wave. And we did not do that. We came just short of it. And then we bounced up here. So my video a couple months ago might have been right on, where I said this was either A or 1. And I think it's probably a first wave now. This move right here looks like it's getting close to topping out on lower time frames. I have it somewhere. Actually, it could be in a third wave and maybe starting a fourth wave here. But I think it probably will end somewhere around $8. You can see, let's see, third wave's right here. Maybe a little bit higher than $8, maybe up here all the way up to $8.44. But just a very nice move here, and that really, it really looks bullish to me. So 1, 2, we don't break the low. We have an explosive move up here. I'm thinking this is probably just wave 1 of the third wave. And so let's say we go to 844. I would be looking for a pullback to about 650 to $6, and then something like this. $10.75 is the 1.61 fib. When it's all said and done, if this plays out, I would look for somewhere around, probably somewhere between $12 and $15 for an overall wave 1. So we got, let's say we go right here, pull back, and this would be overall wave 1, and then I'd look for a pullback, and this would be the very beginning of our first uptrend. This stock has never been in an uptrend. It's been in this WXY corrective move. Well, I guess the uptrend started here in December, but I don't count IPOE as an uptrend. So downtrend, potential start of an uptrend. We got to get above this move and probably clear above this. I haven't spotted any supply zones yet, but yeah, I'm not sure on the supply zone right now, but I think that 12 to 15 bucks would be pretty reasonable for this 5-wave move to play out. So that could be like next year when that finishes, or it could be later this year. I have IWM going to 160 and then going to 200. So that's what I see on Sofi now, and it looks like we're potentially in an uptrend. We'll find out soon if it can break above this parallel line and then get up to like 850, and then we get a corrective move back. So we get an ABC move back, and then we get another bullish move higher. Then I would say that the uptrend is confirmed, and we should see the next couple of years just nice smooth sailing to potentially, let's say we go to like 12 bucks. I would probably look for something between like 30 and 50 bucks in the next couple of years. So that's pretty much what I see right now. We'll go over the chart here later in the week and see if it continues. I am expecting some short term, maybe a pullback in the overall market. So we'll see how it reacts to that. But right now, it's looking good, and hopefully everyone is making some good money right now. Anyway, I'll leave it at that for now. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for more updates on Sofi, and I will keep you posted on the chart when we see what the next step is. All right, have a good night.